My first automotive memory is sitting right behind us. The Roadrunner. My father bought it when he was a kid, and I was actually conceived in the back seat. And here we are today, putting it back together. My name is Russell Rollins. I'm from Windsor Locks, Connecticut. Most people call me Rusty because most of the cars I work on is Rusty. The type of vehicle that we have behind us here is a 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner with a 572 blown Hemi in it. Again, owning my own shop, building hot rods for customers, and looking at a lot of this rotted junk that comes through the door in Connecticut. And I seen this gem sitting in the back room, and I just blew the dust off it one day, and I go, wow, what a diamond in the rough.
It's a full system, full headers, all of it's custom headers. There's no H-pipe, no X-pipe, it's just straight dual exhaust all the way out to the bumper. Running our slip collectors. Everything's fully TIG welded, hand TIG welded.
I raced the car till 1978, and then parked the car, and it's been in storage ever since, so it's been sitting for 40 years.
3.5-inch V-bands, it's 3.5-inch exhaust all the way out the back. We got 2 V-band connections in the system. He said he wants the thing loud and nasty. It's got 3.5-inch exhaust, but about the smallest mufflers we sell, so this thing's gonna hurt to stand behind.
Whoa, dude. Holy shit.
What do you think?
Whoa, that's some jewelry, man.
Get you on film.
Whoa. That's some jewelry, man. Holy shit, dude.
I think we can go up a little higher.
Whoa.
Yeah, go.
Holy crap, look at those connections. Wow. That is butter. Holy shit. I'm speechless. I actually came across Kooks by accident, dealing with a lot of junk that customers bring in, a lot of nickels and dimes and advanced auto parts, pipes and headers. I finally cracked the whip of one of my customers. He had a 2016 Mustang, and I says he wanted headers, and I told him if we're going to put headers on that vehicle, that we're going to get top of the line stainless steel and find them and don't ask for the price. Long story short, the guy ordered the headers. They came in. I see Kooks on the box. Well, never really heard of Kooks, even though they've been around longer than me. I opened up the box, and it was just an amazing piece of jewelry sitting wrapped up in this box. I mean, even the wrapping was gold. It was just phenomenal. Holy crap, that's what you guys put out, huh?
Try to.
Wow. I love the tails. I love it down like that. And what we're going to do now when the car goes back to Canada, we have some welding to do underneath it. But I think the project's going to take off, and we're going to follow suit to what Kooks Headers has done for us and turn this thing into a real marble. Wow. Boy, you guys are no joke, man. Holy shit. Wow, dude, you guys knocked it out of the park, man. You're my guys, man. That's what you do. That's